Hello everyone, I am going to teach you today a little bit about priming your face for your foundation. So far I have on our TimeWise skincare, the day cream, and now we're going to start with a couple little primers. So I'm actually going to start with our foundation primer and our oil mattifier. So because I'm a little bit more oily skin, I like to put these on together. So I take a little line of it on my hand of the foundation primer, SPF 15. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil mattifier, okay? And then I'm just going to mix these together and we're going to put them all over my face because number one, it fills in all the different textures. Number two, it protects your skin from the sun. It's like a sealant. It seals in all the goodness and it seals out all the bad, okay? So we got that. And I always like to have like a little washcloth towel thing to wipe my fingers. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to add a little bit of eye primer because we are going to be putting eyeshadow on today. Getting eyeshadow. Yeah, that too. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put that over my eyelids. And I already have my TimeWise 2 eye creams on, the 3D and the firming. So we do that. Then we are going to go ahead and we are going to do a little bit of concealing under the eye area. So we're going to start off first with our Mary Kay Under Eye Corrector. And this, I just go dot, 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 dot. Okay? Pretty simple. And then I go like this. Ring finger all over, patting it gently. And then we're going to take the very light, or what's it called? Light ivory concealer. And I don't know why, but this is what I do. Take it, I put it on my finger like that, okay? And then I pat my two fingers together and like this. You can also use our cream eye color brush for a little bit more accurate application. But you see how I apply it here, but then I also drag it down and then bring it by my nose, okay? So that is the concealer and the under eye corrector. And now we are gonna go ahead and I'm actually going to use our Mary Kay finishing spray. This is like one of my favorites. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this over our whole face like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and use our mask applicator along with our TimeWise Matte Wear Foundation. So because we're in between seasons, we had our little Indian summer last week. This is my winter shade. This is my summer shade. And so I'm using a little bit because I'm kind of like right in the middle now with my coloring. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit on the mask applicator, which is also a foundation applicator. So I actually have two of these in my bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the other color. So this is the C220 and the C170. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take that, I'm gonna add a little bit of that. And these are both in the matte wear. So there I have my two different colors. And just gauge your use of foundation on how you like it to look. So I like a little bit more full coverage look. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this, we're just gonna paint it on our whole face. Just like you would paint on a mask, okay? And what this does is it assures you that you are putting all of your foundation on your face, okay? So it's not getting stuck on your fingers. It's not getting stuck in a sponge. It's not getting stuck in a brush. It is on your face. Then you have a little bit left on there. I always go under the chin on that jawline. So when we do use our brush to blend it, see? And then I do recommend washing these. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna grab our Mary Kay liquid foundation brush that's clean. They're all clean. I washed them all last night. So because I don't like to wash my brush every day, which I highly recommend, I have several brushes in my bathroom. In fact, right now I have 5. So once every 5 days, I need to wash this, okay? So I take this and I'm gonna start doing my little circles all over my whole face. Just lightly, gently, nothing rough, okay? You can be as rough and tough as you want, but I recommend being gentle on your face. You don't have to do anything harsh. Go right over that lid and then make sure that you blend it by the jawline. Okay. And this foundation, it gives superior coverage. I feel like you don't need a lot. You saw what I had on the applicator, and you're gonna get great coverage. Now, are there areas on your face that you want to maybe cover a little bit more? Or you just like a little bit more in an area? You can definitely do that as well. So I just like to keep it simple. This looks so good. See the two colors? And you always want to kind of like do that goofy thing with your face to make sure that everything is blended by that jawline, okay? So this looks good. So once you have this on, if you're feeling like, oh, I could just go for a little bit more coverage, you can grab a little bit more of that liquid, or you can grab our Endless Performance Cream to Powder Foundation. Now, I'm almost out of mine, so there's like hardly any left, just the corners. So I'm actually gonna take, you can either use the same brush, that liquid foundation brush, or we have our amazing blending brush. And this is amazing, okay? So you can go ahead and grab a little bit of that cream to powder, okay? And just put it in those areas and blend it in that you want just a little bit more coverage, okay? So just take a little bit more, and it comes off so easy. Like, I like a little bit more by the lip line. And then just right in this T-zone area. Nothing crazy, like just a little bit. It's nothing, it probably doesn't even need to be there, but I like just a little bit more. Okay, there you go. So there's that. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab our liquid eyeshadow in Pink Starlight, and I'm gonna show you how this works. So you're gonna take a little bit of that, and you're gonna just dot like 3 dots on your eyelid. Okay, take a little bit, 3 dots, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and take our cream eye color brush, and we are gonna spread that over your lid. Just super simple, okay? And now you are all set to go apply the rest of your color. So tune in next time for some more application techniques. Make it a great day.